saying number 322. Amir al-Mu'mineen, peace be upon him, said, "In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful." When Amir al-Mu'mineen, peace be upon him, returned to Kufa from Siffin, he passed by the residences of the Shibamites, who belonged to the tribe of Shibam, and heard the women weeping over those killed in Siffin. At that time a Shibamite, Herb ibn Shurab al-Shibami, who was one of the nobles of those people, came to him, and Amir al-Mu'mineen, peace be upon him, said to him, "Do your women have control over you as regards the weeping that I hear? Do you not refrain them from this crying?" Herb began to walk with him while Amir al-Mu'mineen was on horseback. So Amir al-Mu'mineen, peace be upon him, said to him, "Get back, because the walking of a man like you with one like me is mischief for the ruler and disgrace for the believer."